Oh, we got far too much in at the moment. Just give you a quick run through what we're doing. Start to give you guys a quick rundown of obviously what we're currently restoring. So obviously the very first Woody here, this is in for just cleaning. I mean, that is literally just a clean up and back to normal, ready to go. It's just a very standard Mattel version, so nice and easy. Just a quick clean down. This guy here is actually a collection Woody. We've taken a little bit more time over him. Obviously it's the 10th anniversary Woody. So he's actually got a snap neck. I mean, this was actually arrived like this. It's been previously super glued. We're working on a 3D print to rejoin these two sections, so it's as strong as it used to be. There's no point gluing it, then his head won't rotate, so we're doing it properly. Obviously his jacket and everything, we're just taking that last little bit of time to get him restored and clean and back to where he should be. Obviously this is our Hawaiian Jessie. I've got a confession, this one's actually for our collection. I've wanted one for ages. Had so many pass for our hands over the years and we just keep letting them go. I don't know why, but this one is going to be for ours. Literally this one's just complete clean down, so everything's gone. It's nice, it can then just sit there displayed nicely. This one here is a collection Jessie. Again, this has been in for cleaning work. We've got a few details to re-put back onto the doll, but overall she's coming to the end of what we're doing with her, so that's good. Then we've got a couple more Woodies. We've got this one here, which is just a standard Woody doll, which is just stop talking. So we're going to do a voice box repair on him. Likewise, we've got another collection Woody here. So this is again the 10th anniversary. It's just tidy, just needs tidying up. I mean, overall, it's actually in quite good condition. There's nothing actually wrong with him. He's just ready to go. And likewise, we've got this lovely Bonnie doll. So these are quite rare now. You don't see many of them. It is obviously a press button doll, however, she's missing a few accessories, namely her backpack, her shoes and stuff like that. So we'll see what we can sort out, see if we've got any of these spares here. Then finally we've got our Bullseye doll. So again, this is the Galloping Bullseye. Overall, very good condition, not a great deal wrong with it. However, someone has taken the liberty to mark his foot with the word Lucy. So yeah, we have got a bit of finishing to do to get that out and get it back to its former glory, and a bit of cleaning in certain areas. But overall, he's in quite good condition too. So we got our work cut out. There's a few bits and bobs to do. And in the meantime, while we're doing all this, we're just in the last stages of 3D printing and obviously rendering this, which is actually going to be Jingle Joe. This is not to scale, this is a miniature that we've printed just to make sure it works. But yeah, this is the start of Jingle Joe, so subscribe, keep up, and see this one coming to life.